improve your vocabulary, stop saying very. Very slow, sluggish. Very fast, brisk. Very sorry, apologetic. Very special, exceptional. Very rich, wealthy. Very poor, impoverished. Very creative, innovative. Very simple, basic. Very rough, coarse. Very excited, thrilled. Very boring, monotonous. Very careless, reckless. Very complex, intricate. Very soft, plush. Very hard, rigid. Very tired, exhausted. Very precise, exact. Very vague, ambiguous. Very cheerful, jubilant. Very rude, insolent. Very polite, courteous. Very stubborn, obstinate. Very flexible, pliable. Very smooth, sleek. Very hungry, starving. Very thirsty, parched. Very old-fashioned, antiquated. Very new, novel. Very expensive, costly. Very cheap, inexpensive. Very important, crucial. Very unimportant, trivial. Very painful, excruciating. Very colorful, vibrant. Very dull, lifeless. Very shy, timid. Very talkative, loquacious. Very calm, serene. Very slow, sluggish. Very quick, swift. Very neat, immaculate. Very messy, cluttered. Very loyal, devoted. Very disloyal, treacherous. Very brave, courageous. Very fearful, timorous. Very wet, saturated. Very dry, parched. Very easy, effortless. Very hard, rigid. Very funny, hilarious. Very sad, mournful. Very smart, brilliant. Very dangerous, perilous. Very easy, effortless. Very difficult, arduous. Very bright, luminous. Very dark, gloomy. Very angry, furious. Very quiet, hushed. Very crowded, packed. Very tasty, delicious. Very weak, feeble. Very strong, sturdy. Very big, enormous. Very small, tiny. Very cold, freezing. Very hot, scorching. Very good, wonderful. Very bad, horrible. Very loud, deafening. Very quiet, silent. Very sad, devastated. Very happy, ecstatic. Very clean, spotless. Very dirty, filthy.